Hey guys, welcome to Bilbo Tech. This is Bala here and welcome to another new episode of Bilbo Tech. Today we are having a new product with us that is very useful for the summer, that is very cheap also. That is this USB portable juicer blender. Yeah, so this is not only a blender, this is a power bank also, and it has very good exciting features. The build quality also very good. I opened it personally now. Let's get into the video and see what is there and how it's gonna be used. Without any further time, let's move into the video. But before going to the video, subscribe to Bilbo Tech and click the bell icon for getting the new latest notification from Bilbo Tech. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is the product. Here we have a good specification over here and product features, and again we are having the specifications. Let me read out what is the specification. The volume of this particular juicer is 380 mil and it has working current of 10 to 12 ampere and the battery capacity is 2000 mAh, that is half of the OnePlus 60's battery or OnePlus 70's battery, and charging mode using mobile phone, a charger or power bank. So it's a very good feature. You can charge with power bank also, and charging time about 3 hours. 3 hours is pretty high for this because normally in a 4600 mAh battery stuffs which are like high capacity battery or just charging in max to max 45 minutes, but 3 hours is so high. But let's test it out how it goes an hour. And single working time is 90 seconds, so it says like when you click for a single time it comes for 90 seconds, and idle protection time turn off in 5 seconds if there is no particular usage of it, and full charge use times, so we can use it for 10 to 12 times with a full charge. It's a quite good feature. And cup material, as they are saying that what are the cup materials. And coming to the product features, they are saying that small in size, portable and common cup and juicer blender, and they are saying non-toxic PVC and PPC material, then healthy and environment friendly, then quick speed and can make a cup of juice within 1 minute. We test it out and can repeat use when charge is full, and you can charge it for your phone also. Pretty satisfying features in the box, but let's test it out practically. So they have different colors, that is green, peach and blue. Satisfying pink color we have. These Amazon guys just deliver like random colors. In the Amazon it was said green color, but we got it. That's the luck. We are having a silicone carrying holder. Then what is this? Wow. So we have another one. So we have double dhamaka. We can do like this also. We can do like this also. Easy to carry. So we have advantage. We are having a strainer also with this. Wow, we can open this also, guys. That's a pretty good thing. Just a blender. I guess the charge is there. You see blue color indication. It says double click to start. Wow. I'm very interested to test this out. I guess we have fruits now. Let's cut it and let's put it and test it out first. Let's test it out. Then let's get into the final review of this. So guys, this is the juice. Let's test it out and see. I'm so scared to test it out because it didn't blend much, but still I'll test it out for you guys. This is not either juice at all. This is watermelon crush. Because it's not blended properly at all, because it says it has a powerful motor, but I guess this will be perfect for normal water and other things like protein shakes, other syrup juices, but this is not for fruits at all. So guys, let me drink this and I'll just bring it back to you. So we have this now. I was saying some exciting features. Power bank, see, If you take this off, there's a port for USB. Okay, let me disconnect this USB one. Like we can mount this USB here and we can charge a phone. So as you guys can see, this phone is charging through this particular power bank, and to charge this particular USB portable blender, what we can do is that we can use the micro USB given and we can port it. And that's it guys, this particular product is not worthy for 800. That is the price which we got it from Amazon. 800 for it's not worth at all, because the motor is not powerful and the capacity and the performance of this is also very poor compared to other blenders that's available for cheaper rate in the market, and it's also available in offline stores, but you won't be able to find it. That's it guys. This blade is not available on any other website. If you want an extra blade, if you lost it or if the blade is getting broken, so I won't recommend it to many of the people. But still, if you want for a protein shake and other stuff, this is perfect go actually for you. So if you want to buy this, still the best buy link is in the description box. Do click it and buy it and help Bilbo Tech to grow for more upcoming good quality videos. That's it for this video guys. This is Bala shining out with the editor Hari. We'll see you in the next video.